This is Daisy. She did the 2-week aggressive dog program, even though she's a sweet girl. I think it was absolutely worth it. This is night and day compared to what she was. If we were at a park like this, with kids over there and other kids over there, she'd be going crazy. She'd be off in different directions, trying to eat everything, barking at people, and
chasing
people on
squirrels,
bikes and skateboards.
We have some dog reactivity issues. If provoked, she will go ahead and bite the other dog. She also nips at children and everything, so we have a lot of things to be working on with Miss Daisy over the next 2 weeks. So no stability in command, she's super distracted.
She can sit, she can be calm, she can lay down. Like she's 11 years, she's almost 12 years old, so this is night and day from where she was 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
I highly recommend this.
Highly recommended, definitely worth every penny. I would do it 10 times over to get the same result because it was great.
Good girl! Sit, good girl. Good sit, good girl. Wait. Sit. Good. Wait. Sit. Down. Good girl! Good job! Good girl! Sit. Good.